Hello, Namaskara, welcome to Tech Girl Kannada YouTube channel.
If an is a solution of the recurrence relation, an plus 1 equals to kan for n greater than or equals to 0. a3 equals to 153 by 49. a5 equals to 1377 by 2401. So what is k? An plus 1 equals to k into an. So given that n is greater than or equals to 0, for n equals to 3, we have a4 equals to k a3. a3 they have already given. What is that? So a4 equals to k into 153 by 49. Then for this a5 they have given it as k a5 equals to k into a4. What is k4? a4 is k into a3. K square into a3. Then it becomes a5 is 1355 by 2401 equals to k square into 153 by 49. We will have k square equals to 9 by 49. Then k will be 3 by 7. Solve the recurrence relation. An equals to 2an by 2 plus n minus 1 for n equals to 2 power k greater than or equals to 1, given that a1 is 0. Given that a1 is 0. And for this an equals to 2an minus an by 2 plus n minus 1. That gives you as an minus 2an by 2 equals to n minus 1. So n minus 1 is your function. So that can also be written as an by 2 minus 2an by 4 equals to n by 2 minus 1. Then for an by 4, it is 2an by 8 equals to n by 4 minus 1. Recurrence till n by 2 power k minus 1 minus 2a n by 2 power k, it is equals to n by 2 power k minus 1 minus 1. These can be written as an minus 2an by 2 equals to n minus 1. That is given in that. And then we can write it as 2an by 2 minus 2 square an by 4 equals to n minus 2. Multiplying that again, 2 square an by 2 minus 2 cube an by 8 equals to n minus 4. That is 2 square. So we will have 2 power k minus 1 an by 2 k minus 1 minus 2 power k an by 2 power k equals to n minus 2 power k minus 1. Adding the above recurrence relation, we get an minus 2 power k n by 2 power k equals to n minus 1 plus n minus 2 plus n minus 2 square plus till n minus 2 power k minus 1. Since n equals to 2 power k, then an by 2 power k equals to a1 equals to 0. An equals to n plus 1 till k times and then 1 plus 2 square plus 2k minus 1. Since it is of k times 1 into 2 power k minus 1, 2 minus 1, k times n, so kn. Then kn minus 2 power k minus 1, that is equal to k minus 1 power n plus 1. N equals to 1 plus log n to the base 2 minus 1 into n. Will log n to the base 2. Since n equals to 2 power k, log n equals to k log 2. K equals to log n log 2. So log n to the base 2. The next answer is find the recurrence relation and the initial condition for the sequence 2, 10, 50, 250. Hence find the general term for the sequence. A0 is 2, A1 is 10, A2 is 50. It has all become 5 times A0, 5 times A1, 5 times A2, like that, and so on. So recurrence relation for this is an equals to 5an minus 1 for all n greater than or equals to 1, with a not equals to 2 as initial condition. The solution is this. Relation is 5 power n into a naught, it is 5 power n into 2. An equals to 5 power n into 2. Suppose that there are n greater than or equals to 2 persons at a party, and that each of these persons shake hands exactly once with all of the other persons present. Using the recurrence relation, find the number of handshakes. Let an minus 2 denotes the number of handshakes among n greater than or equals to 2 persons present. If n equals to 2, then the number of handshakes is 1. That is a0 equals to 1. Then if a new person joins the party, he will shake hands with each of n persons already present. Thus the number of handshakes increases by n when the number of persons changes to n plus 1 from n. So an plus 1 equals to an minus 2 plus n for n greater than or equals to 2, or am plus 1 equals to am plus m plus 2 for m greater than or equals to 0. M equals to n minus 2, setting f of m equals to m plus 1. The general solution for this non-homogeneous recurrence relation is am equals to 1 per m into a0 plus summation k equals to 1 to n 1 per n minus k f of k equals to a0 plus summation k equals to 1 to n k plus 1. Then a0 equals to 1, am equals to 1 plus 2, 3, 4 plus m plus 1. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into m plus 1 into m plus 2 and into n minus 1 for n greater than or equals to 2. This is the number of handshakes in a party when n greater than or equals to 2. The number of virus affects the affected area in the system is 1000 initially, and then increase it to 250% every 2 hours. Use a recurrence relation to determine the number of viruses affected files in the system after 1 day. Let a0 be 1000. Let an denotes the number of viruses affected files after 2n hours. It is given that number of increases by 250%. So every 2 hours 250% of a0. a1 equals to a0 plus 250% of a0. a1 plus 250% of a1. an equals to an minus 1 250% of an minus 1. Then for an equals to an minus 1 into into 1 plus 250%. So 1 plus 250 by 100. So we will have that as 3.5 times of an minus 1. This is a recurrence relation for the number of viruses affected files. General solution of the recurrence relation is given by an equals to cn a naught. An equals to 3.5 power n. A naught is 1000. This is the number of viruses affected files after 2n hours. Number of viruses affected after 1 day, 24 hours, that is put n equals to 12. For every 2 hours it changes, means for 24 hours every 2 hours divided by 2 is 12. So 3.5 power 12 into 1000. A person invests some amount at the rate of 11% annual compound interest. Determine the period for this principal amount to be doubled. Let P naught be the initial amount and rate be the 11% per annum, be the rate of interest. Let Pn be the amount after n years. Then Pn greater than or equals to 2 P naught. To find the smallest n. So what are we having now is we should get that greater than or equal to 2 P naught. Initial amount should be doubled. So Pn should be doubled like that. So when are we getting that? Means Pn equals to Pn minus 1 plus rate of interest into Pn minus 1. So what happens in that? Pn minus 1 plus r, that is equals to r equals to 0.11. So 1.11 into P of n minus 1. So let P naught be P. Then we are having P1 equals to 1.11 into P naught, P2 equals to 1.11 whole square into P naught, then 1.11 whole power n into P naught. 1.11 whole power into P naught equals to 2 P naught. So P naught will be greater than or equals to 2 P naught. Taking log on both the sides, so that we will get n log of 1.11 and which is greater than or equals to log 2. N is greater than or equal to log 2 by log 1.11, that is equal to 6.6419. The principal will be doubled in 7 years almost under 11% compound interest.
Thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel.